So in tables, right? So we started creating the table, right? Now you got what is the basic structure. What is the basic structure of creating the table? So what the table is and how the content we have to give to this table, right? What the table row is, what the table data is, correct? Now what I want to do is I want to merge. Okay, I want to merge the column. I want to merge the rows, right? So in Word, right, you guys have seen in Word we can merge two rows or two columns, right? In any of this, like I want to show here, if you want to do this type of thing, yeah, just a minute, possible. It is in table format. No, table is there. No. That is okay. See, this is a table I have in the web in the normal Word, right? This we say it as a rows and we say it as a columns, correct? I want to merge these two columns now. Okay, I want to merge these two columns. How to perform the same operation in that web? Okay, but here in the normal Word, what we'll do, we just how many columns we want to merge. We're going to select that one, and we have an option called merge cells. So it's going to merge these two what columns. The same thing if you want to merge these two rows, right? Selecting those two rows, open merge cell, right? If you want to perform the same operation in the web to our table, how to achieve this merging of two columns or merging of not a two column, merging of columns and merging of rows, how to achieve this option or this operation in the web, right? So how to do that one? For that we have right, for that we have a tag called column span, column span and row span. Row span. These are the two keywords or two elements or two tags we're going to achieve that type of operation what I shown in the Word, right? If you want to merge two rows, for that we're going to use the row span. If you want to merge any 2 to 3 columns, you're going to use what? Column span, right? Column span. We're going to, or this attribute we're going to use where? Under TR or under TD or under TH. Okay, for under these three tag we're going to use these tags, right? We can apply to the data, that data we can apply, or we're going to apply for the table row, or we're going to apply for the table head. Under these three tags we're going to use this column span and the row span in order to merge any columns and or to merge any rows, right? So how to do this? Going to use the same. Okay, open here. Going to use the same code. Okay, we'll use the same code. Then, if I want to merge, now I want to merge these three headings or any merge if I want to merge. Okay, what I will do? So we can use what that column span or row span under table row, correct? So we have to open the table row, then table data, right? I will just use like table data as here. I will use like college, close this table data. Now I will apply this for columns 4 for departments. Means what I will do here, in above of this department 4, I'm going to merge these 4 and you will get one more row there. The data with that content will be like departments. You just see here, table data. Okay, I want to use column span keyword equals 4. Okay, then I want to display this content departments under this table data. So I'm going to close this table row. Let's check what output we'll get. See, we have got something like here, right? So in one table or in one row, we have created like college, and we have merged the 4 rows. There we got the department. So what I will do, I'll just remove this. Control Control C, and here go to here, Control just okay. We have 4 departments. Consider in our college we have 4 departments. So what I will do, I will just do one more heading over there about to this table, right? So what we have to do, go here, use, I want to use like H3 tag, H3. Then I want to display over to the table. So same, align equal to center, align equal to center. Then close this. SVAT college department or SVAT college. So I will use SVAT college. Close this H3. Okay. Save this. See, SVAT college. In SVAT college, we have some departments, right? So these are the 4 UG departments. Is there is under SVAT college, department 1, department 2, department 4, correct? Next we have one more department, right? That is UG department. So UG department, I want to display that UG department below here. Okay, after UG, we have one more department, is PG department. So MBA is there, right, in our college. So what I will do, so right below this I want to display, right? So we have only one UG PG department. So what I will do, I will create one more table row here, then open table data, right? Only one PG we have. So I want to occupy all spaces, all space I want to occupy in the table, right? For this only for only one this one data for this data, right? So column span, so 4, right? 4. So we have one PG. So I will do PG colon. Then we have NBA department. Then close. Okay. Next up, save this. See, we got all the department details under SVAT college. Departments, SVAT college. We have some departments. Department 1, department 2, 3 and 4, CSE, ISC, civil mechanical, and I have merged all the rows, all the columns here, right? I have merged all the columns, all 4 columns, and we have one PG department, that is MB. Right. So if you want to merge the columns, you're going to use the column span. If you want to merge the rows, you're going to use what? Row span. Right. So again, I will not write the different code for that. I just changed this column span to row span. Then I will show you what difference we'll get. Okay, row span. Save this. Now we got all the rows, right? All rows has been merged here. All rows has been merged. For column span, all columns has been merged. That is the use of rows and columns. Okay, if I change this also, rows, column span to row span, Control S, go to here, see, or it has been merged here, right? So this is also merged. The rows has been merged over here, correct? This is the use of row span and the column span, right? This is the